Okay, first I'm going to remove this rubber bands from the inside. If you can, cut nicely, super nicely close to the stitch, cut them off. If it's not looks nice after you cut them off, then you have to unstitch them from the inside and remove them. And of course, stitch the stitches back. Okay. What do we have here? There you go. You can see how that's what happened. I told you in the previous video what happened. You already can see it, why it is super bulky. Oh my gosh, this is awful work. Girls, never do that, never. This is the bad work I ever see. It's highly unprofessional done. I don't know the woman's name who made this alteration before. I cannot tell anything bad about whoever it is. So I don't know and I don't want to know. I just want to show you how not to do, okay? Not to do. Okay, this is the hand stitches. The skirt is kind of fine because the skirt is poofy anyway. Okay. Whew, this part, the top part, which is the corset part, first of all, it's just being folded to the inside once, then it's folded second time. This is the double fabric with the lining, so it's already like, and plus you see the stitches here. Oh gosh, it's like 1 2 3 4 5 6 fabrics at the same time, only from the lining. They keep this bulky part just folded, not nice. So that's why it feels so big. It doesn't have to be like that. Okay, we cut off this hook. The hook actually is only thing what holds all the stress of the dress. Only this hook holds basically the weight of all the dress, including this corsage, including this heavy skirt. It's all holds on this tiny hook. Can you imagine how uncomfortable girl may feel herself at the wedding day? No, it has to be more secure. More secure. I don't like the corsage dresses just with the zipper and the hook. It's not secure. It's not good enough. And the worst part of this alterations that made previously is this one. See what happened? They just folded. They just folded. With all that heavy beading fabric, they just folded from the inside. Can you imagine now? Can you feel it now? How thick was it? How heavy and thick it was, and especially here. It looks, I believe it looks, basically it looks very unprofessional and awful on a girl. I mean, you know what I mean. Okay, what those stitches are. Okay, they kind of make it a little bit closer to the waistline. I believe that's why they make it. Oh, there's another heavy stitches. They trying to make it more flat. Okay, with the zipper, that's what they did it. Okay, so basically Now your question would be, then how? How? Easy. First of all, when you fold this fabric, this is the fabric, top fabric. When you fold it and stitch it, as soon as you stitch the zipper, you have to cut it off. Plus, you have to cut off all the beading. No one bead has to stay inside, not even one. See? All the beadings are here. Probably they did it on purpose. Probably they think maybe someone else will wear this dress, and maybe they wanted to make it bigger in reverse. Hello, it's not gonna work with the wedding dresses, because as soon as you made any alterations on this beautiful fabric, stitch the zipper, attach the buttons, the structure of the beading is already damaged. You cannot make it work back unless you're gonna do all the hand beading again, and plus it's still gonna look like it be and being stitched, and the holes will be there, and no, it's not gonna look good. So let's see what else. Let's see what's next.